The Forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's go and see what today's charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis for all of you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I'm going to speak about EURUSD, the most traded pair in the market. Now, why do I want to speak about EURUSD? Because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames, going down then on the lower ones. We will also check what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using the combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what do we see? Now, here in the monthly time frame, we can see that at the moment we have a market which is currently testing very strong monthly demand and support. In fact, we can see how exactly from here the market started all this move to the upside. And we can see how at the moment we're testing the exact same demand and support that we do expect the market to reject to the upside. There is one negative confluence factor for the continuation to the upside, which is basically the presence of this previous support turned resistance, which the market is currently testing, and it seems like it is rejecting it to the downside. However, this support here definitely is stronger, so we can still expect a move to the upside, but keeping in mind that we do have that negative confluence. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments any suggestions for new videos. Going down on the weekly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment we have a market which is currently testing previous weekly resistance turn support at this zone. In fact, we basically had the creation of this weekly W formation, and in general, after the creation of a W, you expect the market to complete the pattern at the neckline, which is this previous resistance turn support, before then seeing the continuation to the upside. So here in the weekly, what we can expect is for the market to reject this previous weekly resistance turn support to the upside, possibly even for the creation of a higher high. So here in the weekly, everything seems quite bullish. Going down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now, here on the daily, I spoke about EURUSD when the market was around this area here. I made a full breakdown explaining all the reasons for which, from here, we expected the market to provide this move to the downside. And by the way, I will link this previous analysis in description, so you can go and check it out for further reference and more free education. But at the moment, what do we have and how we can be looking for the next potential move on EURUSD? Now, before I show you what we have on the daily, let's go and see what we have from a COT perspective. Now, what we can see here is that lately net positions have been dropping. We went from having 118k net positions down to having 10k net positions. So even though we still have more longs than shorts, from an institutional perspective, we did have an increase in shorts and decrease in longs, which means that if we are to see the continuation to the upside, we need to see a proper accumulation of longs inside of this area. Now, the new report will be tomorrow. So if with the new report of tomorrow, we will see longs getting added, that would be great for the potential continuation to the upside here of EURUSD. So in general, the way in which we will be approaching this with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the 4-hour and the other intraday time frames. So with students inside of here, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective and lower, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we have right now to an intraday bullish market. And only if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to an intraday bullish market, only at that point we will be adding EURUSD to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to provide a potential continuation to the upside, possibly even for the creation of a higher high. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education analysis for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then you get a new daily market breakdown every day showing you how to apply the strategies in actual real market. And you also get your questions answered every single day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.